Here we will see how we can create this skeleton effect inside Figma. For that we need to create a table like this. The table structure is very simple. We have one header and 4 rows here. So first I will select one row from here. Then you need to download a plugin called Ghost. Just go to the Figma community section and select Ghost from here. Then inside the plugin you will find this Ghost. You need to install it first. Then go back to the Figma artboard. Now I will duplicate this row here and add it in a frame like this. I will simply right click on it and select a plugin called Ghost. Now you will see two options, solid and linear gradient. Select the linear gradient, and from here we have three options, gray, black and white. For that I will select gray. So now you will see the effect seems pretty much good for now, but we have to animate these. But before that we need to create two variants of these. So here you will see some disturbance. I will just simply remove this. You can adjust the colors from the color section also. So for this linear gradient I will move this box having 100% opacity to all the way right, and the opacity of the box with 5% to the left. Then I will just simply duplicate this here, and you will change the position of box from left to right and right to left, just like this. So now we need to rename these properly because we are going to create a component set. So I will type a skeleton. For now I will select one, and for this I will select 2. Then select the multiple row and go to the component section and select create component set. So now we have two variants of the rows. Then now we have to add animation to it. Select the first variant from here and just go to prototype and connect to the second element. So here you need to change from on click to after delay. Use 100 ms here and select smart animate is in is out. Same for the second. Connect it to first. Here you need to select after delay 100 ms, but here you need to select dissolve instead of smart animate. Then I will create a simple frame here and use this component here just to see everything good works. So here you will see the effect is working very fine and it looks very good. I will head back to the Figma artboard. I will simply delete this and just copy this table here. I will delete all the rows from here. Note down the position that X30 and Y 111. So I will move this here to the exact same position and just duplicate this 4 times. So here we have 33 pixels gap in each row. So for this I will select 33 here. Then I will create a new flow using this table. And here you will see we have the effect looking very good. Then I will navigate back to the artboard and connect these two frames together with after delay effect. So here I will select 3 seconds, that means 3000 milliseconds, and smart animate animation. So when I run this prototype, the effect will load 3 seconds and this screen will appear. So I will again restart it. So we have the skeleton screen effect, and after 3 seconds we will have these details.